It's Jessica from Trencita Johnson and I would like to show you our latest ponytail creation. This tutorial shows you the lace braid technique step by step and later also the Dutch braid for beginners. Start with sectioning off above the eyebrow, over the ear, by the side of the head, and you go until the middle of the back of the head. Make a clean line where later your lace braid is going to be. Like this, we are going to section off half of the hair. So you also have a middle parting and then just clip it away so that you can do the other side. When I parted the other side, I started from where I stopped in the middle of the head and then went to the point of the eyebrow, like this, where the tail of my comb goes now. When you have achieved a clean line, just clip the hair out of the way. The rest of the hair that is in the part down, you can just braid into a ponytail, make a little bun, whatever, so that it won't disturb you. Now, parallel to the parting that we just did, you're going to make another parting that is more or less 1 finger wide. Depending to how you would like to be your lace braid and to the structure of the hair, you want to take more or less hair. Take a small section now from the front, split it into 3 equal strands and start to bring the strand from the top under the middle strand and then from down under the middle strand. And when I do it, I first do 2 stitches without adding in hair. Bring the top strand under the middle strand, hold it tight, add in hair, take all the hair up to down and then bring the left strand under the middle and like this the stitch is closed. Bring the top strand again under, add in hair and now closing by bringing the below strand under the middle strand. Again, up under the middle strand, adding in hair and closing the stitch by bringing the strand from down under. To hold the fingers close to the scalp. And now when you brought the strand under, with those 2 fingers you are holding the strand with, these are also the 2 fingers where you bring in the new hair. And now the left strand goes under and all strands are always separated between my fingers. You see? It's like a little clip that opens to take the new hair in. When all hair is added in, just keep on braiding a bit more, like 2 inches, more or less 5 centimeters. Then tie off with a hair elastic. We are going to do the same on the other side. So remember, over the eyebrow you have the parting, section off more or less 1 finger wide until you reach to the other ponytail that you did already, clip the hair away and start doing the lace braid. So now it's the left strand that is on the top and this goes under the middle strand and then the one from the right hand side goes under the middle strand, closing after you have been bringing in a portion of new hair. Remember, the first 2 stitches we do without adding in hair. Many of you are always asking me about the position of my fingers. Actually, it's a bit hard to explain, so I hope zooming in like this, you see how I'm holding my fingers, how I hold the strands. For me, the most important thing I think is that the strands are always separated in between of my fingers, and that the fingers that you use to hold the strand are the same that are taking the new hair you incorporate. The same like before, when you reach to the middle of the head, where you have no more hair to add in, you just finish off 5 more centimeters, about 2 inches, where you just braid a regular Dutch braid. These 2 lace braids that we just did, you bring together now, putting them flat to each other together and tying them off with a little hair elastic. Take out the little elastics that you used before to hold the lace braid. And now you want to open the ponytail that you have below. Grab all the hair together from below and tie it into a ponytail right under the lace braids. Tie it off with a little elastic. And then you want to release the lace braid that we clipped out of the way, and I take here a stronger elastic to tie both of them together. Half of our style now is done, and we're going to do now the Dutch braid on the top. As we have a lot of hair, nearly all the crown hair, this Dutch braid is going to be a bit bigger, and that's the reason why I did not need to pancake it. When I start the Dutch braid, I like to take a triangle shape from the front hair, like I just showed it. Now split this portion of hair into 3 equal strands. You have the left, middle and right strand. Bring the left strand under the middle one and the right strand under the middle. Separate with your fingers, bring left again under and add in hair to the same finger you used to grab the strand before. The same on the other side. Add in hair. I'm using the comb again, as I think the result looks neater like this. And we keep on braiding the same pattern, always adding in hair bit by bit. Don't take too big pieces, the neater will look your braid later. So bring under the strand, add in hair with the fingers, with the comb, smooth out the hair that you bring inside, bring under the neighbor strand, and again add in hair. The truth is that I have it easy on my right hand side to bring in hair with the comb, and on the left hand side it's a bit challenging. Long fingernails will probably have an advantage because they can just use these nails. But me, playing the piano, I cannot use long fingernails because they're just not there. Keep on braiding the same pattern, always bringing the side strand under the middle strand, adding in hair, and then go to the other side. And you do this until you have all hair added in and you reach the ponytail that we did before with the 2 lace braids and the rest of the hair below. When you have no more hair from the crown to bring in, just finish this ponytail. This hairstyle is perfect for any length of hair as long as you can tie it into a ponytail. I love it because it really is a warrior hairstyle. It's for strong women and girls, and I love how the result came out finally. You can also tie it into a bun. What I also do when it's a ponytail, I try to hide the elastic like I do it here in the video with a topsy tail tool so that it looks a bit neater. If you liked our new tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button for not missing any new tutorial. We are uploading our videos on Monday and Thursday, and if you would like to see more videos like this one from my daughter, just head over to our Instagram account at Trencita Johnson. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you a great day. Bye bye!